Hello student, today we are going to see the ellipse, the introduction of ellipse. So there are two types of ellipse we have. So number one, we have x minus h whole square over a square plus y minus k whole square over b square is equal 1. Is equal 1 always where a is greater than b. Here we have a is present below x. Now we will calculate all the values. What are the values we have here? It is center, vertices, and for C. The center, it is h comma k, and the vertex, which is k, will be same. There will be a change in x, so I write it as h plus or minus a, and the focus, it is h plus or minus c. What is c? C is nothing but c square is equal a square minus b square. So I calculate this count. Now if you see this one, whenever you will have a is present below x, there will be a change in x. Y will be remain same. Change in x. Now what is the graph of this? The graph of this is this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now a is present below x, so therefore the ellipse is on x-axis. So this is my vertex 1. You will get plus or minus, right? Therefore you will get two vertex. One is plus, one is minus. And focus is also plus or minus. Therefore you will have f1, f2, and the center, this is my center. So this is the one type of ellipse. Now we have another type. What we have here, x minus h whole square over b square plus y minus k whole square over a square, which is equal 1. A is greater than b. A is greater than b. Can you tell me what is the difference between the last one and this one? So here we have the a is present below y, therefore change in y. So I write it the formula. What is this formula here? It is center, it is same, h comma k. Vertex, vertices, you have h, and there will be a change in y for c, which is h comma k. So this is k plus or minus a, here k plus or minus c. This is the difference, because change in y, a is present below y, therefore change in y. Now what is the graph of this one? The graph is, the ellipse is along y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And this is the ellipse. And this is V1, vertex 1, vertex 2. This is focus 1, this is focus 2. And this is my center. This is my center. Also, we have some definitions here. The major axis and the minor axis. What we call it as major axis, this is the longest part, we call it as major axis, which is equal to A, and the smaller part, this we call it as the minor axis to B. And similarly here, major axis is what? The x-axis. X-axis is a major axis. Why? Because A is present below x. That's why we call it as x as major axis. And here, therefore, here we have this one is major axis. Major axis, and this spot we call it this one as minor axis. So here it is major axis is y axis. Why? Because the A is present below y. You can find this paper in the description box. Thank you.